Down here fishing, guys. We got a few bites, but haven't caught anything yet. It's another hot day. I think I'm gonna get ready to go in town, get me something to eat. I gotta get some cigarettes, ice. So I think they ate all my worm. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Redneck Ways. How's everybody out there in YouTube land doing? Hope everybody's set fine and dandy. Not doing too awful bad, guys, here in Oak, Kentucky. It's my last day camping, Sunday morning. I'm getting ready to do a little bass fishing for about an hour and throw a popper or two out and see what's going on and pack up and head home. But I wanted to stop and show you all a couple of things down here at Greenbow. This is the old Buffalo iron furnace. It was people's here working at 1851 to 1900. There's some kind of green rock around here. I'm sure it's all been picked over since I was a kid. It used to be easy to find, but they mined that. They did something with it. My papa told me what they made out of it a long time ago, but I forgot. So if I find one of them green rocks, I'll show you. This is a garden project. All right. Tom's Corner. Huh. I haven't really researched this very much, but I just think it's really neat. And Greenbow Park is one of the parks that I've been here ever since I can remember. Mom and Dad always brought me here. So this is always my to-go place. We've camped all over the place, all over Kentucky, but this is always fun. And it's kind of close to home, and I always love returning. So, but yeah, here it's an old furnace. Look at them old cut rock. I guess they melted those rock. I'll try to do a little bit more research before I post a video and let you guys know. I used to find those green rock all around the back side of it. Somebody cut those a long time ago and placed them there, guys. That's some work, ain't it? They didn't have all those hydraulics that we have today. It was all tackle, or what's that called? Oh, I forget what it's called. I never really used them. Pulleys, something tackle. Let me see down here, guys. See if I can find any of those green rocks. There used to be stuff here all over the place. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I got up pretty early this morning. One, I had to go to the store. And two, I want to do some bass fishing. I did some catfishing last night. Didn't really get no bites. And then yesterday morning, about 10, I went and was trying to catch a little bit of bluegill. Let me look around here, guys, see if I can find one of them green rocks. Alright, guys, I had no luck. No luck finding any of the rock that they would use to melt in this thing. It's some kind of like a green amber. And when I was a kid, of course, that's been 40 years ago. It used to be all over the place. But not now. Alrighty. I want to show you one more thing before I head to the campsite. It looks like somebody was looking here. Somebody's been digging. Somebody's been digging over here. I wish I would have kept all those pieces that I found back when I was younger. I knew they was all going to be gone 50 years later. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's been hit by a dozer or something. That might be it. It don't really look green, does it? Maybe that's it. Maybe that's what they was mining, guys. I'll have to take it home and clean it. Here's another big, yeah, that's it. It's all over the place. And I say Indians probably made arrowheads out of this stuff too. Huh, I'm glad I stumbled on that. Somebody knew exactly where to look, didn't they? Alrighty, there's one more place I'm going to go and show you guys. Yeah, look how pretty it is. It's not as... The pieces I found when I was a kid was green. It looked just like this, but it was green. I guess maybe there's different types. But they used to mine that. Now, I don't know what they made out of it. Alrighty, guys. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. This little one-room schoolhouse, it always fascinated me. It's been here, ever since I've been a knee-high to a grasshopper. So I don't know if it was moved here or this is the original spot. I say it's the original spot. The grass has just been cut yesterday, and the dew's over my Crocs. Which Crocs get a bad name, and I do wear them too much. But some people don't realize, especially when you camp, you can go and you take a shower with them. There's just so many things you can do with Crocs. You don't get your feet on them floors in a shower house, that's for sure. But yeah, that's just one thing. And then when you put your boat in the water, it keeps you from cutting your feet. And they're just comfortable, and they're so easy to just wear all the time. So, but yeah, this is called the Buffalo Clay Lick School, 1926. 1926. So that's back there. That's right when radio was coming along. I don't know if we can look in here or not, guys, and see. It's gonna be hard. But yeah, there's a fireplace. Let me see if I can get a better picture. They got paint all over the windows. I'm old, but I didn't go to a one-room school, that's for sure. She's a oldie. She's a keeper, though, ain't she? We'll walk around the side of it. I don't have my tripod, guys, so I'm trying to keep the camera as still as possible. They didn't have air conditioner back then. Man, it's been hot this weekend. Been down here. I wonder how many little kids got put up here up front with a dunce hat on. If walls could talk, you know what I mean? Old school board. We're in the head of the class. We're ahead of the class up here up front. But yeah, I'm sure they was all running around with their little pale lunch boxes and their little girls with their little pigtails. Boys with their slingshots in their back pocket. Running all around back here. Here's the back of those school. Looks like a big old bee's nest up there in the very top. I wouldn't want to get a hold of that. Bunch of bamboo. Bunch of bamboo growing back here. It's a big old rock. I forget. There's a name for those. It's too early in the morning. My brain ain't functioning. I think it's poison ivy underneath there. And I don't need that. I just got over that bad case. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for coming along on my camping trip. I sure appreciate it. Well, appreciate y'all watching. And if you get a chance, and if you haven't already, try to get out this year. Meet a lot of nice people. A lot of nice people. Alright, guys. Until next time, I'll see you right here at Redneck Ways. I love that tree. I think it's a walnut. Bye, guys. baby. Everybody's going home. Just about got everything packed up, guys. I made this crazy looking thing. It didn't work like I wanted it to. I thought it would spin. It might when the wind blows, I don't know. Yeah, everybody's leaving. It's always sad. I've only been here 2 days, but you get attached to people. Good people, man. Good camping folk. I love this RV. I love the colors of it. That's been my next door neighbors for a couple days. I got the bike all loaded up. The bike did great here. I'm pretty far from the bathroom, restrooms, so that came in handy. It's way down there. There's a couple electric bikes down here. They're pretty cool. And I think you can charge those, like when you pedal, it charges them, which is a pretty cool deal. But I still like the gasoline motor myself. But the younger kids, they like those electric ones. And they're quiet too. That's one good thing about them. They're real quiet. That little 2-cycle motor on my bike, it's a little noisy. But I don't think nobody cared. I'm sweating already. I'm gonna get out here early. I'm hoping to be packed by 10. Got everything. I got dust off the blankets, guys, and fold them up, get them put up, and get the tent taken down. That's all I got left. So I think I said it earlier, but thank you guys for coming along on my camping trip 2024. And if you get the chance, try to go yourself. It's a lot of fun. Make sure you maybe have air conditioning though. If I didn't have my little 110 air conditioner, I would have died. Man, I had to turn it off last night. It was like a daggone ice box in here. It goes down to 61 and it kicks off. But yeah, it was like 60, 59, 60 for most of the night. And I thought all the cold air would escape, but it stays good and cold. And they do sell tents that have a flap right here that you can unzip and put your air conditioner there, which I may get one day. But this one worked pretty good too. I just use clips and clip my door back. So alrighty guys, thank you all for watching. Bye guys. Another nice camper. It's an Eagle.